Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com, and today I am explaining or summarize the chapter cooking dinners. Okay, so listen carefully this chapter, and you can see at your screen the chapter name is cooking dinners, and this chapter has been written by the Frank Frederick Marriott. Okay, so listen, let's start the video. This piece is an extract from The Children of the New Forest by Captain Frederick Marriott. Jacob Armitage, a kind-hearted forester, rescues the children of colonials bravely from the English Civil Wars and brings them up as his grandchildren. So you can see here is the story name is cooking dinner, and this story has been taken from a books The Children of a New Forest, and this story written by the Frederick Marriott, a person who was a kind-hearted forester, and he rescued of the children of colonels bravely from the English Civil War during the English Civil Wars and bring them up as his grandchildren. Okay, the children adopt to a new life in the forest, and all the children that rescued by the Frederick Jacob Armitage, the children also adopt to a new life in the forest. So let's read the story and know more thing about this story. Okay. Jacob arrived at the cottage and found the children outside the door watching for him. They all hastened to him, and the dog rushed before them to welcome his master. Okay, so you can see here is a cottage that appears in the pictures, and in the cottage, this cottage has been situated in a forest, and Jacob arrived at the cottage and found the children outside the door. Okay, Jacob is the person who is the owner of the cottage. Okay, the Jacob arrived out of the cottage, and then he found the children. They are out of the door watching for him. Okay, they all hastened. Hastened means hurried. They are hurried to him, and the dog rushed before them to welcome his master. When the Jacob reached in his cottage, the dog was looked him and running toward his master to welcoming him. Down, smokers, good dog. Well, Mr. Edward, I have been as quick as I could. How have Mr. Humphrey and your sisters behaved? But we must not remain outside today, for the troopers are scouring the forest and may see you. So here is in a response of the dog welcoming the Jacob, telling to him that down smokers good dog. Okay, he also saying that a smoker is a good dog. Well, Mr. Edward, then he asking to the Mr. Edward, I have been as quick as I could, telling to the Mr. Edward, I am do my best to reach here. And how have Mr. Humphrey and your sister behaved? And then he asking about his sisters and Mr. Humphrey. But we must not remain outside today. And the Mr. Jacob suggested to the children that we have to no need to stay outside. Why? Because of the troopers are scoring. Troopers are scoring means the soldiers are searching some of the children like you in the forest, and many may see you. It is the very dangerous for you. They can see you. They maybe see you. Let us come in directly, for in would not do the they should come here. And he suggested to everyone to enter the cottage immediately, that it would not do, that they should come here. Will they burn the cottage down? Okay, will they burn cottage down? Inquired Alice. Then Alice asked a question. The question was, will they burn the cottage? It means get the fire of the cottage. As the shook Jacob's hand. Okay, she shook the Jacob hand and asking a question. What kind of the question? That the soldier will get the fire of cottage. Yes, my dear, I think they would, if they found that you and your brothers were in it, but we must not let them see you. And he telling why they get the fire? Because of you and your brothers. Why? Because you are a colonial. Okay, you are colonials, and when they look you, then they get the fire, or took the will they burn the cottage down. Okay, so he's also saying with the definite, we must not let them see you. Okay, they entered the cottage, which consisted of one large room in front. The condition of the cottage in the front mention of one large room and two back rooms for bedroom, and two back rooms also will made in the back side of the bedroom, which was behind the other two and did not have any furniture in it. Okay, and the condition of the cottage, that is some of the rooms, and but here is the no any furnitures. Now let's see what we can have for dinners, and said Mr. Jacob. So Mr. Jacob telling to everyone that what we can have for dinners. Come, we must all be useful who will be cook. So he is saying to everyone to collect all the important things that we have to make our supper or dinner. Then I will be cook, said Alice. Alice saying to the Mr. Jacob that I will cook the dinner today, if you will show me how. And he telling to the Jacob that if you tell me how to cook the food, so you shall, Mr. Dear, said Jacob. And Jacob also nodded his head as a affirmative. And I will show you how. There are some potatoes in the basket in the corner and some onion hanging on the string. We must have some water. Who will fetch it? So he telling important elements that need to make up the food. He telling about the potatoes that was the keeping in the basket in the corners, and some of the onion that was the hanging in the string. Okay, and he also saying to the Alice that we have to need up the waters, and who will fetch it? I will, the said Edward. Edward said that I will fetch it. Who took a pail and went out to spring? Next question by the Jacob. The potatoes were peeled and washed by the children. Jacob and Edward cut the vegetables into the pieces. It means they take the knife and take the vegetables and cutting into the small pieces. Okay, the iron pot was cleaned, and then the vegetables were put with water into the pot, and then iron pot it was cleaned by the children, and then the vegetables were put with the water into the pot and placed on the fire. They keep the pot with the vegetables and water, and that is used to oven. Okay, now I will cut up the onions for they will make your eyes water. And next, I don't care, said Humphrey. Jacob said to the Humphrey that give me the onion, I will cut it. If you have to, it is very painful for you. Why? Because it will make your eyes water. Then Humphrey is saying that I don't care, no need of the help. Okay, I will cut and cry at the same time. And Humphrey took up a knife and cut away most manfully, although he was obliged to wipe his eyes with his sleeve very often. Okay, Humphrey took the knife and started to the cutting onion. Okay, during the cutting the onion he also wiped his eyes with his sleeve very often. And you are a fine fellow, Humphrey, said Jacob saying to the Humphrey that you are fine fellow, you are a good person. Now we will put the onion in the pot. Okay, they will put the onion in the pot and let it all boil together. And now start to the boil of the vegetables and onions and waters, everything that was the put in the pot. Now you see, you have cooked your own dinner, isn't the pleasant? Okay, and he telling to the children, you have cooked your own dinner, you have to cooked your own dinner, is not the pleasant. Okay, so here is here is the some of the refugee children, and that was the carried by the Mr. Jacob. And Jacob is the owner of the cottage, you can see here. And all here is the Alice, Humphrey, and many of the Edward and many of the children here, and they are the refugees and saved by the Mr. Jacob entered in the cottage. First entered the cottage, the dog is welcoming him. After the welcoming, he asking about all the members of the cottage that he lived. After the asking the health of the children, he suggested to everyone, we need to enter in the cottage, we have to no need out of the cottage. Why? Because some of the trooper searching out the forest. After saying this, they all enter in the cottage, and then everyone start to make a dinner. Okay, so every children participate to make the dinner, and during the participation they divide their work into the pieces, and they prepare the dinner. And at the last, Mr. Jacob asking to every children that is not that pleasant. Okay, so yes, they all cried, all we will eat our own dinner as soon as it is ready. So everyone ready to eat for the dinner that was made by them. The Humphrey, you must get some of the plates down, which are our drawers. So here is the Jacob commanded to the Humphrey and telling to him that you must get some of the plates that is in the keep in the drawer, to take the plates and also keep in on the table. Okay, and Alice, you will find some knives in the drawer. And he also telling to the Alice, what he telling to collect some of the knife that put in the drawers, and let me see what can little Edith do. And then he also thinking next work for the Edith. Okay, oh, she can go to the cupboard and find the salt shaker. And then he telling to the little Edith to carry the salt shakers. Okay, salt shaker, a kind of the small bottle that salt will jerking. Okay, Edward, just look out, and if you see anybody coming or passing, let me know. Then he saying to the Edward and give a task to the Edward. What kind of the task? To go out to go at the door of the cottage and look out someone who passing through the cottage. Okay, and if anyone, any member, any person are coming toward the cottage, then inform me. Okay, we must put you as on guard till the trooper leaves the forest. And he telling to the Edward, you will be a god until the trooper leave the forest. Okay, so I think you all understand this chapter. Rest of the part will explain or summarize in the next days. So thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next video.